Betula is an interchangeable circular needle set for people who want quality, aesthetics, and newfound knitting joy. The set does not only include the most commonly used sizes, but also a couple of extras. With the Deluxe Betula set, you will get interchangeable circular needles ranging from 3.5 millimeters all the way up to 12 millimeters. That's from a US size 4 to a US size 17. And the sizes are laser printed on the needles to keep them from rubbing off with wear. The needles are practical, strong, comfortable, and elegant. The deep cerulean blue color lets the beautiful natural grain of the birch shine through. The needles are laminated and stained extraordinarily well to achieve the stunning, smooth surface that makes them incredibly comfortable to work with. You are guaranteed many hours of fatigueless knitting joy. The precision tips make these needles perfect for all types of yarn and have silver transitions to the back swivel cables. Betula contains sturdy cables with flexible joints, allowing them for a 360 rotation between needle and cable. The rotatable joints will not twist. This trait has been groundbreaking to many knitters who are now experiencing a much more comfortable knitting process. The cables are memory-free, will not swap, and made of stainless steel coated with black nylon. Everything comes in a beautiful case with patterns and colors that match the beautiful birchwood needles. All the cables and smart parts are stored separately in a separate accessory pouch, and you also get a cute matching canvas bag that you can use however you want.